All right, guys. Good evening and good day to you wherever you are listening to this tutorial. And we are going to continue with our previous tutorial where we ended, and we have to continue from there. So we're able to create this scattered sheet over here, and we are going to continue from there. You understand? So what we are going to do right now is we'll find um, a list for the month and year for the student. You understand? So we'll still go back to where we've been creating our digit and putting in some data. So what we'll do is we'll have to type in our one. We are using the month, so we have 12 months in a year. So we are going to key in this, and as usual, you do the automatic fill into 12. So this really means that the first month is 1, the second month is 2, and all that. Then we come to the year. So we can start with maybe 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. So the years, you can do it however you want it. You understand? So I'll make it up to 2020. Yes. So I'll come back to the year or the month, and then as usual I'll go to data validation. Then I will select a list, go and pick my source here. So I'll pick my source from this side, which will be here, and I'll hit enter. Then I'll come back to the year, go to my data validation, make a list, go and pick the source from the years I created here up to 2020. I will hit enter and then press OK. So if you come here, you realize that you'll be able to select all this. You understand? Yes. So you can make it 020304. I saw some of you doing that, and it was wow. I was really surprised. I knew that I am working with professionals. You understand? You people are doing great. So I will center this, and I will center this one as well. So what I will do is I will just bring the cursor to this side, make it a plus sign, and then I will just double click it, and it will fill from top to the last row. I'll do the same thing here. You understand? So this is what we are talking about, to fill up down. So that's how we do it. If you want to make it empty, just go to clear content, and then you do it. It will just also bring an empty cells for you. You understand? Yes. So for the time being, I think we'll maintain this. You can change it later on. And here to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I want to use 0 and 1 because of the formula that we'll be using. So I will type in 0 and then I will type in 1 here. So we'll also come and pick the Monday here, go to data validation, and then we go to same thing. We go to the list, we go and pick our source from the 0 and 1. You understand? So you do that, you pick your source from 0 and 1. Good. So when you click here, you have your 0, you have your 1. So in this case, what we'll do is that we'll have to do the same thing here, and we'll have to also drag to the side to fill it. I hope you are following. And then we'll do the same thing here, we'll do the same thing here, we'll do the same thing here. So in this case, we are getting our data validation, filling the whole first week. And then you can also copy as usual. You copy And then when you copy, you come and paste it here. You can do all the pasting. From Monday to Friday, you do all the pasting. You understand? So you paste, you paste. So you do all the pasting. Okay, so up to the 11th week, I am done. You understand? Then you must autofill everything. Hope you understand. It really takes time and it needs consistency. If you were lazy, you can't do this. Trust me, because you are not going to have it easy. Yeah, so but I'm going to just make it a scenario. I'm not going to fill everything for you because of the size of the video and the time as well. So you can continue with the rest when you are doing it. Now, having done all these things, let's come down. I want us to do something here. I want us to create this before we can do anything else. So I will come down here and I will leave just one row. When I leave one row, I will just select these two cells. Then maybe I will make it B and C. Then I will merge and center it. Then I'll type in daily, make it caps daily totals. So I'll wrap it so that daily totals. I will make it in a way. That's what. So one will be top, one will be down. So we have daily totals, and under the daily totals, I'm going to have morning and then afternoon. You understand? So I will create it in such a way that I will get enough space here. Okay. All right. So let me see. So under the month. Okay. So I think I'm on course. So I will type here morning. Under the register we have morning and afternoon. You can decide to do it so, but I'm going to just type morning alone. You understand? Because the morning is the one we use. Then here you come and type boys is equal to. Then down here you go like girls. Is equal to. Good. So you have boys and girls here, and you can, the rest we are going to enter a formula which will help to calculate all that. We'll get to that extent, but I just want us to build a table before we start anything else. Then I'll come down here, I will select almost about 3 cells, and then I will move it up to this side. I will merge and center, so you can see B, C, D, E. So I will make it weekly totals. Weekly totals. You can increase the font size a bit too. And the weekly totals we have from here to here up to where we have the boys. You merge and center. Then you say times open. Times open. That is the number of times open. You can, if you were a teacher, you can get a register, a copy of the register, and even use it to help you. Then I will come down here as well, and I will make here total attendance. Total attendance. So I'll make here total attendance. You understand? So as usual, You center, you make it bold a bit. So times open, total attendance. Okay. Now the next thing that I want us to do is that I want us to create a border around, or create a table. You understand? So what we are going to do right now is I'll first select serial number. Yeah, serial number up to the 11th week here, and I'll go to my border and I will make it take outside borders. So you see, just imagine, you realize I'm getting a table right now, very nice table. Yes. So when you are done to, you can go here, select up to week 11 here, and then go to the last item there, or the last data. I don't know if I'm going too far, so let me go back and see. Yes, so I have to do this again. So I want to select these ones, that is from the serial number, then I will move it up. So I will just have to check where the 11th week is. So up to down here, and then I will go to all borders. Note, it is not take outside borders, it is all borders, because we don't want to use take borders for that place. So if I zoom out a bit, you see how the register has become. Yes, so we have the tick borders here, and we have the all borders here for the register. Good. And here too, we are going to also make it tick borders. So we'll make the whole place here up to the total attendance, up to the last side, we make it tick outside borders. You understand? Good. So the register is becoming so interesting and so nice. So guys, I'll pause here and we shall continue with the next tutorial.